Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages, and right now we have to find the settings icon, which should appear right here. If you cannot see it, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon. Okay, just three dots icon, and here we've got the settings. Of course, we can customize this bar, so if you'd like to show the settings right here, just tap on them, hold them, and drag them to the very top of it. So I will do something like it. So okay, so now we can simply tap on the settings and tap on the languages. Here we've got the list of previously added languages, and obviously we've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to use, and all you have to do is just find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me pick Arabic, for example, and if you can choose the region, just do the same, just tap on it. Here you've got the keyboard options, so you can set the keyboard with actual keys, or you've got the handwriting, so of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick this one, so simply tap on Done in order to activate, and as you can see, our newly added language has been immediately attached to the previous list with the languages which are currently set on the keyboard. And here, after getting back to the keyboard, we've got two differences actually. Firstly, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so right now we've got English, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which means that after tapping on it we can easily switch through the languages. So now we can easily type in English, but after tapping on it we can switch to the Arabic, and from now on just type in Arabic. After tapping again, you can again switch to the English. So actually this is how to add a keyboard language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because for some reason you may not need to have two different languages. So all we have to do is simply get back to the settings, just tap on the languages right here, and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. As you can see right now we can mark some languages, so let me pick the Arabic, make sure that it is marked, and tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see it immediately disappears. After getting back to the keyboard, you can see actually that the spacebar is empty and you cannot see the globe icon, so it means that we cannot switch language. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.